So this is how you can add a text behind the person in CapCut PC. This is actually very simple. All you're going to need is a transparent video of someone walking. So if you don't have that, you can actually go ahead and use an original video and then just simply crop out the background or use CapCut's automatic crop out. For example, simply tap on this and now you're going to want to tap on remove background and then you can go ahead and choose whatever you want. For example, if you want chroma key, you can go ahead and use that. I recommend using this for green screens, like so. Like actually this one, you can go ahead and tap on the green part, and then it removes all the green. Not fully though, so you're gonna have to amp up the intensity, like so. And there we go. All the green is now gone, and he's walking smoothly. So, how do you actually put text behind the person? Well, just simply add the original background or the original video, or simply add whatever background you want. And now, as you can see, he is walking in a forest. So, now what you're going to want to do is simply tap on this text button over here and then tap on add text or this default text. You can go ahead and tap on the blue plus button and now type whatever text you want to. For example, hello. And you can even change the font to make it pop out more. For example, this. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it bigger. And now we can go ahead and put it in the middle of the man walking and the background. So if we actually go ahead and play it, he is now walking on top of the text because as you can see, it's layered perfectly over here where the background is at the very bottom, and then hello is right on top of the background, and then the man walking is on top of the hello. So it's actually very simple, and I hope you caught up with what I'm trying to say. And if you did, you're very welcome. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.